dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problems with your power in Windows 10. So for fixing it, you just need to go to search tab and just write in search tab troubleshoot. So here you can see troubleshoot settings, so just tap on it. So now just wait until it will load menu and you will see here, so just scroll until you will see find and fix other problems, and here you will see power. So find and fix problems with your computer's power settings to conserve power and extend battery life. So just tap on run the troubleshooter. So now it will detect all the problems and just detect issues. Here you will see list of problems and it will automatically fix it. So after it will automatically fix, so here you can see that it fixed problem. So just tap on close and now just go to start menu, choose power and choose restart. So after your computer will restart, you won't see this error again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.